Here's how to disable laptop keyboard when external plugged in. First, open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Open Device Manager, then expand the keyboard section by clicking the arrow next to it. You'll see several keyboard devices listed here. If you see an HID keyboard device, this is usually your external keyboard. The other keyboard listed below it should be your laptop's built-in keyboard. Select the keyboard device that belongs to your laptop, right-click on it, and choose Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstallation by clicking Uninstall. Windows may ask whether you want to restart your computer. Select No for now. Now, open the Start menu and click the power icon. Select Shut Down and wait for your computer to completely turn off. Once the computer has shut down, turn it back on. After Windows starts, try typing on your laptop's built-in keyboard. It should now be disabled, allowing you to use your external keyboard without accidentally pressing keys on the laptop keyboard. If you want to enable your laptop keyboard again, open the Start menu and click the power icon. This time, select Restart. Once your computer has restarted, your built-in laptop keyboard should be working again. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.